Long Island is really the Bordeaux of New York State. It's in position to Bordeaux and other places like in Italy, in the Campania region, which is another wine-growing region over in Italy where my wife's family is from. And our uniqueness with the Long Island Sound constantly blowing in that air to prevent disease and help us. We're very, very lucky to be in the position that we're in on Long Island. We have a wonderful saying here at Vino Vineyards. It's Vive Bene, which means live well, Spesso l'amore, which means love a lot, and Risalto molto, which means laugh a lot. After you laugh a lot, you'll be able to love our family as much as we love your family. Here we've had 670 engagements we've shared in people's lives, something that I never thought was going to be possible. We've had customers come from Philadelphia, Newport, Rhode Island, New Jersey all the time, upstate New York. For that, we've been so blessed. We have Pinot Grigio, we also have Chardonnay, we also have Sauvignon Blanc. We have a wonderful sparkling wine that's in between a Prosecco and a dry brut, and then we also have a Cabernet, and then a couple of reserve wines as well. So not only are we a great winery, but we happen to serve some really great food on top of it. We have Massimo Coscia from Florence, Italy, who's a friend of our family. He is our executive chef. We have wonderful, simple, good food that we serve here, but everybody hasn't really had food tasting this way in a long, long time. As if you were in Italy for a day. Here on the premises, we'll grow all of our own basil. For our pesto sauce, we'll grow all of our own tomatoes. We have our own garlic. Yes, lots of local ingredients that are sourced by Massimo and my wife, and a lot that's grown here on the premises as well. The thing I love most of all about Long Island is its people. That we are a kind place, a wonderfully warm place, that if you go to the downtown areas of Long Island and the downtown shops and you see those shopkeepers who have these small businesses, it really is a very amazing place. Benvenuti, Amici. Welcome, my friends. Long Island is where you belong.